7 Sigma. Off-grid.
Hey guys! Okay, big announcement. We are adding a second weekly video. Starting this week, we'll be uploading 2 videos instead of 1. Our Saturday videos will still be our full-length videos, and our Wednesdays videos will be more of a casual behind-the-scenes look into our daily lives. So think of it as kind of hanging out with us, getting the real unfiltered moments that don't always make the main videos. We are so excited to share more of our journey with you, so let us know in the comments section what kind of behind-the-scenes stuff that you would like to see from us on Wednesdays. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, we are here and this is going to be our first night spending the night, and we have packed up a whole bunch of stuff. We're just going to take our time to slowly move in. We got a bed and I'm excited for this weekend. We're going to take you guys on a journey with us. We have a whole bunch of stuff to unpack, and we got our little dog bed. We have our mattress. We have a compost toilet. We have some bedspreads and all the essentials that we need. We got to unpack all this crap. You ready? Mm-hmm. You don't sound enthusiastic about it.
It's heavy.
Yeah, take that last. So you want to take it first?
First.
Okay. Alrighty, so that means you need my help.
For you, baby, I've got something new for you, girl. I was gonna be true to you, baby. We got something new.
Ooh, this is a heavy mattress. I wonder if it's gonna be plush. It feels plush, don't it?
Yeah, it feels
compacted.
It feels squished.
Yeah, so when it pops out, it's gonna be plush.
To you, I'll rise. For you, I'll fall. Just to see that we.
What do you think? Don't you think this is the bottom?
Yep. Yep, because this is the bottom when you roll it out. At least I think so. We need a knife. Oh, it just rolls. Oh, how cool is that? Ready? Roll it.
Piece of dream, and right now it's our turn to shine.
Woo, there we go.
No.
Wait. Why no?
No.
Why?
This is upside down.
Oh. Well, that's the way it's coming out.
We did it wrong.
Hold on. Flip.
Or did we?
Huh?
Oh, this supposed to be on the bottom.
I don't know. This is supposed to be on the bottom.
Yep. Come on.
Oh, shit. There we go. Oh, Lord. Okay. Ooh, it's hot.
This supposed to be on the bottom or the other side?
No, I think this is right.
No, the other side. That says Brooklyn bedding is supposed to be this way.
What?
Yeah.
So we got to flip it over?
Mm-hmm. Just turn it.
Like that? This way or long ways?
See the bottom part where it has the name?
Oh, gotcha. All right. So now we're not taking this off.
No.
We gonna sleep. Oh, it feels so good.
With these mice.
It feels great. Lay on it.
Let it expand.
Oh.
Just leave it.
But it feels good.
Yeah, just let it do what it do first.
All right, so you know when we lay on this with this, it's gonna be crunching and stuff when we move. Mm-hmm. We got a mattress.
Nice down for you.
Yeah, baby. I got something new.
Time to eat.
Time to eat.
Okay, go. Go.
This is good light cinematographer. What does it say?
OGO.
What's it? What is it?
An OGO.
What's the OGO? What is it?
It means you gotta go.
That's your throne.
You gotta go.
That's the Queen's throne. This is our OGO compost toilet. We'll be composting our waste.
Can we not talk about that, please?
Oh, yeah, we gotta talk about it because we're gonna use that to grow some food. We're gonna grow our own food.
Can we?
From our own
Okay, can
waste.
we not do that? Talk about that either,
We're
please.
gonna be like the Martian.
Can we? Can we
Matt
not?
Damon.
Can we not?
Remember he lived off his own poop and grew potatoes?
Yeah, but I didn't watch that movie.
No.
You watched that movie.
That's what we're gonna do. This right here is some more paper based to fix the pavers.
Yep.
I'm tired of pavers.
You should never be tired of pavers. This is the life you chose.
You gotta do that.
Yeah. How you gonna do that?
Fill it back up with dirt, put some more paver base on it, and bring those 2 pavers down.
And how you gonna do that?
With my hands with these here. Propane inlet. I have no idea what size this is, so I'm gonna try to measure it because this runs to the stove. The oven and stove is a propane electric starter, so I need to figure out the connection here so I can bring up a temporary propane tank. I can do a little small one for now, between 40 and 100 pounds, and then we'll do the big boy at a later date. We're gonna hook up the water and find out we got a leak. This guy is stripped. I'm just gonna try a little plumber's tape for now until I order a new one of these. Bootleg style for today, just so we can have some water for the night. And then because this guy was leaking, because this little washer on this side came out. Luckily I had an extra laying around, and we'll see what this does.
How you been doing?
It broke.
What's broke?
The water pump.
Is it really?
It was leaking. I replaced it. And then
Wait.
I gotta resolder it and reattach it.
What? Oh, it just came
I was trying
apart.
to plug it up. I was like, why isn't making any power? That came off.
I thought the rats ate it. No, they're still doing yoga. I'm taking a break because my knees are bad.
Alrighty. Be ready for the rescue. Let's go see. Something leaking because I need a new valve. No bueno. Gotta order a new one for tonight. I'll just pull this pump out this box and plug directly up to it with the hoses. Oh well. I don't want no Cavassier. I don't even like Cavassier.
It's not Savasana, it's Savasana.
I don't like Cavassier.
And if you did
I'd rather drink Crown Royal.
but I'm saying if you did Savasana, with all the work that you're doing, you'll release some of the stress that you have.
I don't like Cavassier.
It ain't.
I like Crown Royal. Maple.
It's not Cavassier. It's Savasana. Cavassier.
I don't want no Cavassier.
I don't even know what Cavassier is. What is Cavassier?
It's a liquor.
Is it
Hard liquor.
Cavassier? Well, we're not talking about liquor. We're talking about meditation.
You said you want me to reduce my stress. That
Will reduce your stress.
That involves liquor.
Of course it would.
Alrighty, do this dumb stuff again. I don't remember how to do this.
So the hubby has been out here working to hook the hose up to the tank so that we can have water so that we can wash our hind parts. So that we can take a shower. We're about to turn the water on to see if it works.
That's it. It's good, right?
Yeah? You want me to leave it on?
Yep. It worked. I'm just cleaning up.
So we haven't turned on the water. How long has it been? Well, we haven't turned on the water about 6 months now. Did you check the tank water?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You got water going there. You hear it?
Ooh.
It's coming out the sink.
Is it?
Hey, go look.
Oh. You guys are gonna go with me to see if we have sink water and bathroom water. I hear the pump going. Ooh. We have sink water and we have bathroom water. Yep. We're good on the water end. Whoop whoop. Both sink and bathroom water came on. And nice, good pressure flow.
Cool. See how to do the stupid hoses? Now I can't close it.
Well, I mean, it's just temporary, so.
This for now, temporary bootlegness. Just using the chemical hose until I hard pipe this. Using the trench for now. This is not sewer. This is not pee or poop. This is just water. It will be be no peeing and pooping because the toilet is disconnected. But for tonight, this is gonna work. Our bootleg water pump situation, and it's being powered by this 12-volt battery back here. And to do for the weekend, more permanent situations to come. Our old location where we were gonna put the solar panels was there. As you can see, it's all completely shaded out. It's 6:30 right now, sun setting. That back row is catching some shade. The front row is relatively good. So it's not too bad. We have full battery capacity. So we're gonna see how this works tonight, how much power we use during the night. So tomorrow, I will jump on the tractor and start backfilling the trench. I have to go through and move all of these large rocks so they won't break the conduit when I push everything in. So I'm gonna start bright and early. For now, I have to do some bootleg jankiness, of course. I just put the pump in the case and the battery in the wheelbarrow to get it off the ground. I'll get this taken care of. Once I get those replacement parts, then have the correct gaskets, stop that leak, and then we can go with the hoses directly on the outside of the water pump case.
As you can see, the sun is going down behind me. We have a nice little sunset and it's starting to get dark. And behind me, the house is lit up. We're going to come back out here when it gets really, really dark to see how that looks.
You say we're going to spend the week.
Wait, can you just leave me alone?
No.
Hey guys.
Do what I say. What?
He want me to do what he says, which I'm not going to do, by the way. Anyway, I know y'all can hear. I know y'all can hear me in the background, probably. But anyway, this is going to be our first weekend spending the night. So we're going to clean up. We also have a new bed that we have rolled out. So I get to sleep on the new bed and see how soft the mattress is. So we have our new bedding, our bedspread. And so far, I'm liking the mattress. It's nice and firm. We had to let it fluff up for about 3 to 5 hours, and that is done. So we are ready to put our bedspread on our mattress. So we have decided to actually keep our plastic on our mattress because last year we were fighting mice. We actually got rid of that problem, but just in case we have a mice problem that pops up again, because the last time there was poop and pee all over the mattress and we had to get rid of the mattress. So this is a nice, good mattress that we invested in. So we're gonna keep the plastic on and we're just gonna hear the crinkle when we're sleeping, but it's okay. We can get a mattress pad that way when we're turning around and stuff. Excuse me? Dude, you just have no filter. Anyway.
Back out.
Okay, can you be quiet, please, while I'm doing this? These are pretty soft. I like these. But I'm not a fan of white sheets. It's just, I don't know. I'm not a fan of white sheets.
We're gonna be fighting over covers. There's not enough hanging over there.
Nope.
Take a picture of the bed at home and show people you really know how to decorate. You really know how to decorate. This is a bootleg. This ain't how she really get down. She just got. Where'd you buy this? Just went from Marshalls?
TJ Maxx.
You went to TJ Maxx and she just bought something real cheap.
No, I didn't get got because what I did at home.
At home, she got
it's a whole bunch of
about
pillows.
20 pillows and it's all, what is it, 5,000 count thread.
Thread.
5,000
That's what I'm saying.
thread
Thread sheet. Thread count. Anyway, you have to realize this. Most. Are you listening to me?
I got a crank.
Are you listening to me?
I got a crank.
Most comforter sets come like this.
I take it back.
What? I'm not gonna take it back.
You buy extra stuff.
Because I bought extra. What you see at home is a bunch of extra pillows. So I got two of these pillows.
That's what we brought.
And other decorative pillows.
You buy them a la carte.
Yes, I buy everything a la carte.
That's why we ain't got no money. Her fault. We don't get this no more. This is something I would get.
What you see at home is not outcome. When I put this on the bed at our home, you're gonna say, "Oh, that looks nice," because of how I decorate it at home.
But it's still like the quality at home. The quality at home. That stuff is so hot. I be kicking it off me. It's so thick.
No, it's
this
not.
Is cheap.
No, listen.
It's cheap.
Listen to me.
Cheap.
It's not.
Cheap.
This is the same quality as what I have. I have other bedding on top of it.
Well, whatever you do at home, you need to do that up here. This is gonna be our new home, so make it be like that. Cheap, cheap. Oh, ambiance.
I like it.
What you do? Turn off the big light in the middle?
Yeah.
Turn it back on again? Oh yeah, that's too bright. There you go. That's ambietic.
Okay, Ashy, they need some. You got
Need some
ashy
shea butter.
hands.
This is ash. These are called ashy hands.
Those are working hands. Them some men working hands.
I'm gonna get racial for a minute. Black people know what this is. For all the black folks watching, y'all know what this is.
What is that?
That means he needs some lotion. For all my non-black folks out there, we call this ashy. That's just dried up from washing my hands without any moisturizer.
Non-black folks know what ashy is too, though. They get ashy too. It just might not look as
they don't see
prominent as
They just call it dry
ours.
skin.
Oh,
we
dang.
call it ashy.
Mine's ashy too.
They look as we say ashy.
We just ashy.
I need shea butter.
You need lotion.
Shea butter. We're bougie homesteaders because we getting Apple TV. I'm so bougie.
You bougie.
It's all her fault.
Yeah, don't blame it on me. It's your fault. You don't want an Apple TV.
I'm an Apple fanboy. Sorry.
Yes, you are. You need to build out time for rest and relaxation.
Nobody got time for that. You say that all the time.
Yes, and I mean it. You keep
Where?
because you need to make time. You make time for everything else.
What?
You can take 5 minutes out to just sit down, be quiet, and relax. You gonna listen to me one day.
Setting up your Apple TV.
Your face stink. Smell it. Kiss it.
Yeah, we on you. We gonna spy on you. We all up in your house.
We gonna watch you.
Record you. If you say anything wrong, we gonna use it. See, we got them.
Wow.
We're christening the TV.
We're christening the TV.
We're gonna support other YouTube Homestead channels. See what they talking about.
Fast forward. Garbage.
Lame.
Bad camera angles.
Terrible quality.
Smile too much.
I don't know, like you know what he doing, dude.
How are you now? You don't know what he doing.
Look at that stomach. He got man boobs too. What the hell? They suck. Bye. Later for you.
Bye.
The night is dark and full of terrors. A nux and a moon. A big long chemtrail, but still. It's gonna be some nice stars when it's not full moon. New moon is gonna be ridiculous. You can't really see. You can't see on this phone, but dang, it's a lot of stars. The moon's kind of killing it though. Very nice and peaceful. It is 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Do you know where your children are?
The night is dark and full of terrors. You can see the people, the lights down there on the mountains, and the moon behind me. The flashlight?
The gun light.
Oh.
It's a good light, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a great light. You can see everything.
You see some eyes looking back. What would you do?
We're running the house. Great.
Go pictures. What a beautiful moon.
It's a pretty moon.
I don't think that my son needs the polio vaccine.
Okay. Why
Because I don't think that he needs it.
What time is it?
104.
So at 104. At 104.
We taking this damn plastic off. There's some bug.
Because you wake me up out of my sleep so you can take the plastic off.
Oh, you woke me up every time you turn.
It was your bright idea in the first place.
No way. You don't want no mouse poop on your mattress. I'm cool with mouse poop.
No, this was your bright idea. You didn't want mouse poop on the mattress, which we both didn't. But we can't sleep like this.
We just gotta keep the mice out.
We'll put the plastic
No,
on.
we're just gonna keep the mice out. We've been doing good. It's been what?
No, we'll put it
It's
on
been 5
before we
months,
leave.
4 months, no mice. We'll just keep it up.
Okay, well.
With this bug.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.